You're starting off in property and you're thinking, I really like this concept of no money down or buying loads of property or getting to my first 10 properties or my first 50,000, 100,000, whatever the figure may be or the number may be or the KPI may be in terms of the goal that you have. If you're looking at no money down and you're going to be thinking, well, quite simply, number one, where do I find the deals from? Number two, how do I fund them in terms of JV partners or banks? Number three, why is anybody going to give me money? Number four, I don't have the experience. Number five, I've never done a deal before. Number six, so I'm only going to share a few with you that come to my mind right now. Number six, it might all go wrong. Number seven, can the JV partner trust me? Can I trust them? Number eight, I don't have a power team, so things might not quite work out. Number nine, what if things really don't work out? So here's things going wrong, but what if the deal doesn't work out and halfway through or at some stage through the conversion it all goes belly up basically? What do I do then? And number 10, what if I get found out and people realize I don't know as much as I purport to know? So these are just 10, by the way. I could quite happily sit here and come up with another 10, 12, 15, and I'm sure if I asked you for the comments below to share some more of these, we could quite easily get to 100 pretty quickly. The point isn't that. The point is all of these stumbling blocks, okay, are being created in your own mind by you, and some of them might be true, by the way, but most of them aren't going to happen. So if you cast your mind back to the last over the last 5, 10, 15 years, there's things that you've thought of it that you thought might happen that have never happened. You've complicated the situation and it's never been as complicated as you've made it in your mind. And that's the beauty about no money down, if I can link it to that, is in your mind you're complicating it and thinking this is really, really hard. There's 84 different moving parts, spinning plates, whatever you want to call it, okay? While in terms of what I've just shared with you, those 10 points and many others, by the way, and you're thinking, how is this going to work? It can't work for me. It works for Shaz, or it works for other people on YouTube, or whatever. Are they really doing it, or are they making it sound so good? You need to check that out, by the way, and make sure that those people really are doing it. If you want to check me out, go into Company's House and you'll see the properties there. I usually give you the name of the property, the road, the town. Go there, have a look. You'll see the property there, you'll see the photos, you'll see the videos. So I'm not here to talk about anybody else, but my deals are real deals and I am doing them. So you just gotta basically get on with it and make it happen. I think the biggest thing, generally speaking, I'm going to be frank with you here, is most people who, let's say, are at my stage and beyond, and possibly some who are working towards where I am and beyond, okay? One of the big things that they don't like, to be honest with you, I think, to keep it very simple, is bullshit and bullshitters. So unfortunately, with the advent of social media, you see a lot of this. So deal sources, for example, purporting to have loads of good deals. Property investors purporting to do loads of good deals or own deals that they don't own. You've seen some bigger cases in the last 3 or 4 years where people have had particular property schemes, if I can call them that, which haven't quite worked out. And they've taken money from people and those people have lost out, which is wrong, by the way. Very, very, very wrong. So you and I want to stay away from that type of behavior and that type of ethics in terms of how they run their business. But you see, everybody I say everybody, a lot of people on social media portray this particular image, but I'm very experienced, I'm very good, I've got really good deals,